In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a Game Pass in Roblox, step by step. If you find the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Creating a Game Pass on Roblox allows you to offer exclusive content or features to players, enhancing their in-game experience. It also provides a way to monetize your game, generating revenue from player purchases. To get started, open your Roblox account on your PC and navigate to the home page. At the top of the screen, you'll notice an option labeled Create. Click on this to proceed. You'll be directed to the Creator Hub page. On the left side, look for the Creations tab. Click on it, and from the list of creations, select one of the public experiences. This is just like the example I'm showing here. Once you're inside the experience, scroll down a bit on the left-hand side panel. Under the Monetization section, you will find the option labeled Passes. Click on this, and it will take you to the Passes window. In this window, you'll find a button that says Create a Pass. Click on this button to begin the creation process. The next page will allow you to upload an image. To do so, click on the Change option. A new window will pop up, prompting you to select an image. The image can be in JPG, PNG, or BMP format. You can also rename the pass and add a description. This helps give it more context and meaning. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click on Create Pass. After completing the creation process, you will return to the Create Pass window. Your newly created Game Pass will appear here with its icon. Now, move over to the left-hand panel again and click on the Sales option. When the Sales window opens, toggle the Item for Sale button to enable sales. Set a price for your newly created Game Pass, just like I've done here. Don't forget to click Save Changes to finalize everything. And that's it. In the Passes window, you'll now see your new Game Pass, complete with its icon and set price. If you'd like a closer look, you can open a new tab to view all the details, including the icon, name, type, price, and when it was last updated. That's the process for creating your very own Game Pass on Roblox. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.